Press statement by the General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association exposing Chris Muchangwa, a foreign agent of chaos. Sanapenda mashoko andaichogwa panapa aiwa musi 15 March pamusoro aiwa pema-utterances obuda achitogwa panapa aiwa naChris Muchangwa ari kuonekwa panapa ma-voluntary supporters aiwa aGeneral Chiwenga oya achiresponda to this letter. Not about subscribe or like on the bell kuti mina panapa onyo buda nyuka muchinzira muri kuona aiwa muscreen kuti this is a well crafted letter vanobuda vakomana vachiti 15 March 2025 the General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association GCVSA issues the statement to expose and dismantle the treasonous mission of Chris Muchangwa, a political chatterlad who is now fully unmasked himself as an agent of division and foreign interest. His recent reckless utterances against General Chiwenga are not mere political blunders, but part of a well-orchestrated agenda to destabilize Zimbabwe's leadership and advance a shadowy 23rd succession plot that seeks to sideline genuine revolutionaries in favor of Western-backed footages. Military intelligence report exposes Muchangwa espionage. The GCVSA is aware of recent military intelligence dossier linking Muchangwa to espionage activities involving hostile foreign powers. This intelligence confirms what many have long suspected. Muchangwa is not merely a loudmouth, but an active saboteur working to weaken Zimbabwe from within. His attacks on General Chiwenga are not personal, but part of a broader scheme dictated by those who seek to install puppets in positions of power while eliminating true patriots. His masters have sent him on a mission to undermine the military, to spread falsehoods about national heroes, and to confuse the people with propaganda so that the 23rd succession project can be smoothly implemented. We say to him and his handlers, we see you, we know your plans, you will not succeed. Tomashwa anosiyirwa panapa vakomana vana Christopher Muchangwa tikuona kuti aiwa vakomana veGeneral Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association voiswa this letter vachiti aiwa tikukuona zvenyu matiro enyu nezvamuri kuplana but you are not going to succeed kana tiripo. Imbotise mafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pe-this first vision yatati tichikupai pamusoro pe-the voluntary supporters ageneral. Pindai mucomment section menu tize mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.